It's 12 degrees. It's cold.
It's not cold to me. It feels perfect.
Let's try to skate around. And it might seem like I cook or I fry things a lot. And I think it's because I do. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope wherever you are, you're warm. There's a major cold front coming and it's probably gonna be here in about 3 hours or so. So we have done all the Snowmageddon things and we are ready. Our animals are inside and we have gone to Walmart, got way too many groceries. I'm gonna do a roast tonight and all of that, but before it comes, I'm gonna do a little surprise for Luke and we are gonna go out and meet some friends and go swimming at the community center, but he doesn't know that, and we're gonna go while Walker and Ryan are napping. Ryan doesn't like swimming anyways. Like when we have the pool open, he is like terrified, so hopefully that changes this summer, but I don't feel too bad about leaving him because he wouldn't really love it anyways. So we're gonna do a fun little outing before we are like stuck at home, but it's frigid outside. I don't know if it's in the single digits, but it's very cold. But we are gonna have fun. Yeah, like I said, do the roast, maybe do some baking, but we're gonna make the most of being stuck inside. Do you want to go swimming?
Yeah.
At the community center?
Today?
With Finn and Liam?
But today?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, right now?
Yeah.
We're going right now?
Yeah. You can go put your swimsuit on.
Ah.
Well, we're on our way now, but it is snowing.
No, flurrying.
It's flurrying. It's not like it's snowing hard, but my friend who's going to meet us there, they called before and they said if it starts snowing, they're going to close it. That's winter in the south for you. But it's so hyped up that everyone sees precipitation and they just, everything's canceled, shut everything down, whatever. So, but we don't live far, so we are going to chance it because we want to swim, and if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, but we can say that we tried, so we'll see.
But it's still going to be fun for us.
Yeah, it's still,
it's going to be snowing.
yeah, even if we don't get to go swimming, we get to enjoy the beautiful snow, so
Yeah.
Either way, it's fun, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's 12 degrees. It's cold.
It's not cold to me. It feels perfect.
Perfect. I think there's cars here, but if we get to swim, maybe it's like 30 minutes. But something's better than nothing, right?
Yeah, and there's too much snow.
I know.
Oh, my eye.
Okay, come on.
Oh, Mom, look.
Run.
Mom, look at us.
Well, we were too hopeful. They met us outside. We didn't even go inside, and she was like, we're closing. We're all going home. So, it's fine. I mean, it's Sunday. They should be home with their families. I'm just selfish. We wanted to swim. Okay. Well, we're going to see. We have an ice rink. So, hopefully, we're going to see if he can do some skating.
Not really skate.
You think you're going to skate? The snow covered relatively quickly. Let's see. Hopefully it's solid enough. Do a little test before you go all the way in. Make sure it's not going to crack.
It's not.
It's fully solid?
Yeah.
Cool. Slide, slide, slippity slide.
Oh, look.
Yeah. See if you can skate around.
Huh?
Let's try to skate around. Whoa! Is it slippery?
Slippery is my game.
Oh yeah.
Try to play and see if we win. I'm not used to it.
No, I'm pretty sure that's frozen in there. Careful.
Look.
Uh-huh. Whoa, careful.
Whoa! We're going deeper. Hey, this is so bad. I'm getting out.
Okay.
It cracked.
It did?
Yeah.
Gosh. I don't know if I've formally introduced Hank on here, but this is Hank, our German Shepherd. He is almost 10. He's still just like a little puppy. I don't think the cold bothers him at all. I mean, I don't want him sleeping out here in it, but
But
he has
his own shelter.
he does have shelter. It's like rock hard, super thick fur, and he loved it. Did you look outside? What is that? What's it doing? Is it snowing?
Yes.
Can you believe it?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you have a good nap?
Yes.
Yeah. Are you bundled up enough?
No, I'm not red, but I do feel super hot.
Might need to zip this up. Well, it's super cold outside, so.
You ready? No.
Are you gonna play in the snow?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. You stay warm.
So,
When did Hank go outside? Did you just put Hank outside?
no, Daddy said, because Hank's like snowing.
He does like snow, doesn't he? So it turns out the deer meat that I was defrosting wasn't roast meat, and it was like cubed meat. But that was a very happy accident because I ended up making fried deer meat. And it might seem like I fry things a lot. And I think it's because I do. Because it's just so good. And I've already sneaked a few, and they are so good. But I'm not going to make gravy for it. I'm going to keep it healthy. And also, I got an air fryer. And I just opened it the other day, and I've been using it every day. I'm obsessed with it. So I'm going to air fry my squash and zucchini. I just mixed it, and I cut it up and put it in a bowl with some avocado oil. And I've actually never used this before. I bought it a long time ago, but not that long ago. But Kinder's The Blend, and it's just salt, pepper, and garlic. But I've heard really good things about it, so we're gonna give that a try. So I'm just gonna pop it in, and then power, vegetables, and then I just trust the process. It says 420. Sure, go for it. But anything that I can, like any cooking device that I can put food in and walk away from it, like I'm a huge fan of. So like I made green beans in there. Oh gosh, what else did I make? Oh, I made sausage links, which I make for the boys a lot in there. But like, you know, you'd have to stand over the stove and turn them, and I just like popped them in there. And within a couple minutes, they were done. So I'm a big fan. It was amazing. So yeah, got the deer meat, got veggies, got rice, and then I'm gonna put some Sister Schubert rolls in, and that'll be dinner. The boys are outside playing in the snow, and it's almost getting dark, but they don't care. So they're so excited.
Rice is doing okay?
Yeah, everything's alright.
Everything okay, Dr. Jones?
This is gonna be a good life.
Whoa! Hey, just letting you know. That's gonna get all in your jackets and stuff. Oh my goodness.
I broke everything. I'm okay.
Okay.
Some snow got me.
Whoa! What? What up, Hank? What up, Hank?
Hey, catch.
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, catch.
Alright.
Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young.